Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss the difference between research method and research methodology. Firstly, we will discuss the meaning of research method and research methodology. The research method is defined as the procedure or technique applied by the researcher to undertaken research, whereas research methodology signifies ways to efficiently solve research problems. What is research method or research methodology? Research method is behavior and instrument used in selection and construction of the research technique, whereas research methodology is science of understanding how research is performed. Encompasses. Research method is encompassed by carrying out experiment, test, surveys and so on, whereas research methodology encompasses by study different techniques which can be utilized in the performance of experiment, tests, surveys, observations, etc. Comprise of. Research method is comprised of different investigation techniques, whereas research methodology is comprised of entire strategy towards achievement of objective. What is the objective of research method and research methodology? Research method is to discover solution to research problem, whereas research methodology is to apply correct procedures so as to determine solutions. Conclusion. Research method refers to the technique which can be adopted to explore the nature of the world that surrounds us, whereas research methodology is a foundation which helps us to understand the determinants influencing the effectiveness of the methods applied.